Alright, let's be honest. Running a business solo is basically a never-ending cycle of emails, deadlines, caffeine, and existential crises. And no matter how many productivity hacks you try, you still end up working 12-hour days wondering how the heck billionaires have time for morning meditations, yacht parties, and, well, not drowning in emails. Here's their secret. They don't do everything themselves. And guess what? Neither should you. Today, I'm going to show you the best AI tools that will literally do the boring stuff for you, so you can work less and scale faster. You know what's really holding your business back? It's not a lack of talent. It's not even your budget. It's the fact that you're stuck doing everything manually. A Harvard Business Review study found that solopreneurs spend up to 70% of their time on non-revenue generating tasks. That's insane. Imagine if 70% of your day was spent doing stuff that doesn't make you money. Oh wait, it probably is. But don't worry, AI has entered the chat. And trust me, this is the biggest business cheat code since the invention of coffee. All right, let's talk AI tools that will change your life. These aren't just cool tech gadgets. These are the tools that actually take work off your plate. 1. DeskSense AI. Think of it as your personal research assistant. Need an email written? Done. Need a summary of a 20-page document? Boom. Handled. Number 2. Notion AI transforms your messy notes into structured, organized content, perfect for keeping your brain from exploding. Number 3. Copy AI writes social media captions, blogs, and emails so good you'll wonder if you actually hired a ghostwriter. Don't worry, you didn't. It's just AI. Number 4. TDO AI chatbot. Answers customer questions so you don't have to. Because let's be real, if one more person asks, "Do you ship worldwide?" you might just lose it. Imagine waking up, checking your laptop, and seeing that AI handled 50 customer questions overnight while you were dreaming about tropical vacations. Feels good, right? That's the power of automation. All right, don't just take my word for it. Here's what happens when you let AI do the heavy lifting. Meet Alex. He runs a small e-commerce business selling handmade jewelry. Before AI, he spent 3 hours every day answering customer emails, writing social media posts, and managing orders. After AI, he automated 80% of it, cut his workday in half, and actually had time to grow his business. Because here's the truth. You didn't start a business to be a full-time email responder. You started it to grow. Now, if you think AI is cool now, just wait. Experts predict that within 5 years, 80% of daily business tasks will be automated. Think about that. No more grinding for 12 hours a day. No more drowning in admin work. AI is literally creating a future where your job is just to make high-level decisions, while AI does everything else. And if you're thinking, I don't know if AI is for me, just remember, people said the same thing about the internet, and now we can't even function without Wi-Fi. All right, so we just covered how AI can literally 10x your productivity. Now the real question is, which tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Because trust me, we've got way more AI secrets to share. See you in the next one.